Alright, time to hew the second top plate. Process is the same. We'll find the center line, both horizontal and vertical. Mark a tick on both planes, and get a level line that'll establish center, and then we can determine the size of the timber once we find that center line. Alright, where did I put my rule? Somewhere over here. Maybe it's over here. Here it is. So we got 10.5, 5.25, yeah, close to the pith, and then we got 10, so right there. And this is going to be a 6x6, so always burn an inch when I'm working with inches. If I'm working with feet, burn a foot. So we'll come to 4, tick mark, put that 4 right there. Tick mark. Tick, and tick. So ideally you want to get a log that is comparable in size to the timber you're going to be needing. A way to do that is to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if I'm looking for a 6x6, I would do 6 times 6 is 36, times 2 is 72, and I think squared that comes out to around 8.4 inches. So that would mean I would need an 8.4 inch diameter timber. So in this case, I think I was cutting down 9 inches because that was about what I could find. This one's 10, so I'll have to remove a little bit more waste than I want, but it's always nice if you can get a timber, a tree, close in size, so you have less waste to remove. pencil is plane down, so when I'm marking, it's in that same plane, and also you want it really sharp, so because it can really skew your measurements. Not that it matters a ton with traditional timber framing, but it's just a good habit to get into. But that's kind of the beauty of this, is you're not concerned about micro precision and engineered specs. I think that's what I enjoy a lot about this way of crafting things. Okay, and we can check our work by measuring the square that we made, 6, 6, and 6 for the horizontal, 6, 6, and 6. So I just do it on all the sides and then in the center. So yeah, that's a 6 by 6. That's what we're looking to create. So I'll do the next side. And this is really muddy from yarding it out. This will have a little bit of wane due to it being. No, I think we'll be good. 8.5. And 2.5. Yeah, this will be good. Okay, 4.25 right there. Alright, so now that I've got the size of the timber I want on both ends of the log, I will use my chalk line to snap a line, and that is what I will joggle to with the felling axe, which just removes the bulk of the waste, and then fine tune it with the hewing axe. Always forget to swap the head around of the chalk line. It doesn't get a nice, if you don't, it doesn't lay nice and flat, which for me, I want it nice and flat. For other guys, it may not care. You want to make sure to pull in the direction the timber's running. Okay, yeah, there's quite a bit of waste. Not ideal, and I could have made a little bit bigger timber, I suppose, but this will be fine. If I had a framing square, I could just there we go. Yeah, I don't really like that, so we'll just do this, and we want it in this plane, so okay. Alright, I'll start hewing this, and I'll see you in a few. All right, guys, here we have it. The second and final top plate that will be needed in my mill house. A lot of you guys may be thinking, you know, wow, that looks really rough. You know, is this building going to be square, level? But the truth of the matter is yes, it will. And you may ask, how is that possible? Well, we only have 5 other pieces interacting with this piece. We have 2 posts, 1 on the end, and then we have 3 rafters. And so all I'm concerned about is the surfaces where the other pieces interact. So what I'll do is I'll dress those surfaces up and make sure they're square. And as long as I do that, everything should come together nicely. So just wanted to give you a quick update. Like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing.